One missing clause in your UP-date statement can accidentally overwrite thousands of records. Let's learn how to update specific rows safely. The UP-date statement modifies existing data in a table. The basic syntax starts with UP-date followed by the table name, then set to specify which column equals what new value. For example, UP-date employees set salary equals 50,000 changes the salary column. But here's the critical part. The here clause filters which rows get updated. UP-date employees set salary equals 50,000 here employee ID equals 10 only changes the salary for employee number 10. Without here, you change everyone's salary to the same amount. This is the most dangerous mistake in SQL. Forgetting here means your UP-date applies to every single row in the table. One missing line can corrupt an entire database. Always double-check your here clause before executing. You can update multiple columns at once by separating them with commas. Set salary equals 60,000, department equals engineering. For more advanced updates, use a subquery in your here clause to filter based on data from another table, or even join tables to update based on related records. Remember, UP-date with set modifies data where targets specific rows, and omitting here is catastrophic. Practice on Interview Mentor to master SQL fundamentals. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.